Good morning. We're going to start our number corner for today. I'm just going to wait to see if anyone else is going to join us here on Zoom. I don't want to take too long because the longer the video goes, the harder it is to send it to everybody. So I want to keep this short. So if anyone jumps on after I started, then that is fine as well. So let's get started looking at our number corner as soon as it comes up here. All right, so our March number corner, I think I changed something here. Hang on. I don't know what happened. It says my iPad is connecting. I don't want that to do that. So I'm going to remove that. I must have clicked on something I didn't want to do. All right, try again. Okay, so I want to start out here with a couple of reminders. Looks like someone's joining us. Hello, who is this?
Mackenzie.
Mackenzie, welcome. I'm glad you made it. All right, so a couple of things. There was a confusion about the Brain Pop Junior. I wanted to clear up. You can go to Brain Pop Junior anytime you want, watch any videos if you use this first login, BBW Brain and Pop. If you want to go into the assignments I've made, you can do this by doing the class code here. And when I email the video, I will email the class code. You can go in there yourself, but you don't have to. It's just an option. It's just something I'm sharing out. All right, so today is Wednesday, March 25th, and we're going to take a look at our board here. Now, yesterday, I asked if anyone noticed any patterns, and I know this is really tricky, especially when we look at the location of 8. Looks like Tanner might be joining us as well.
Hello. Hi.
And CJ, hi, welcome.
Hi.
All right, any of you have any guesses about the pattern for the location of our calendar?
I have one.
Anybody?
It's probably going to be inside because of the pattern. It's going to probably be something inside. No, it's going to be something outside. It's going to have to do something outside.
You're right. So what's the pattern?
It's going outside, inside, outside, inside, outside.
Awesome.
Inside, outside, inside.
You're right. Good job. So if we look at yesterday, what do you think? Hi, Mason. Welcome. Is this going to be an inside or an outside pattern?
Outside.
Outside. Thank you. All right. So let's take a look. Drum roll. And it is outside. It looks like kind of like an apartment building. We need to zoom in so we can see that better. On the sidewalk. And if you look at that, what is that shape? Who wants to say it?
Spear.
Yay. It's a spear. Awesome. All right. So
Spear.
Here, it's a spear.
Are you still?
Which would fit our pattern. We didn't have a clue. I'm going to write down sphere. And I'm just going to put outside. I'm not sure the best way to do that. Did I spelled sphere wrong? All right. So this space is empty because I would normally try to draw this. But that's going to be really hard to do on my computer. I'm going to share this with everyone when I share the video today. This is how to draw the 3D shapes. So if you want to try some art and you want to try to draw each of those shapes, that's something you can do today. Okay, moving on to our 2 quarters of a day. Does anybody remember how many quarters we had yesterday?
Okay.
32. 32. Wow, that's a lot of quarters. All right. I don't want to do that. Let me remove that. So when I put 2 more without counting, who can tell me how many quarters we now have?
34.
Yay, 34. That's easy. Counting by 2. So that means how much money do we have? Who can tell me?
$8.50.
Yes.
$8.50.
And how many dollars is that?
8.
8.5.
8.5, exactly. All right, so that pattern's going pretty easy. All right, today I'm not going to do a subtraction problem. I'm going to do something called a magic square. And this is something I'm also going to share with you when I share this video, so you can challenge yourself trying to do this. So if you've done anything like this before, you have to use each of these numbers 1 through 9. So you can see I have these numbers down here, and this square is using 6, 5, and 8. I can only use each number one time, and it has to add to the same number in each column, each row, and diagonal. So if I do like 8 plus 5, you can tell me what 8 plus 5 is.
13.
13. All right. So something plus 13 is going to go this way, and then 6 plus 8 is what? Anybody? 14. 14 plus the missing number. So whatever I put here has to equal what I'm going to put over here. Anybody tell me a number you think I should slide into that empty spot between 6 and 8?
7.
7?
7.
That's going to be a pretty big number, because this was 14 plus 7. That would be 21. So I'd have to have a really big number to equal 21 up here.
Yeah.
Let's try a different number. Anyone else have a guess? Something smaller?
3.
3?
Yeah, 3.
Someone's saying less. This would be 14 plus 3, which is 17. And we'd have to do 13 plus something else to make another 17. Try something smaller.
2.
Hey, looks like Sophia joined us. Anyone else want to tell me something smaller to try than 3?
1. 2.
Try 1. What's 6 plus 8 plus 1? Anybody?
15.
15. Let's see if 15 is my magic number. That means that everything, every row, every column, every diagonal needs to equal 15. So I do 8 plus 5. What number here would equal 15?
2.
2?
2.
Because we knew this was 13. This would be 15. All right, that might work. What two numbers between 5 would make 15?
And 10.
A 10. Do you see any numbers down here that's going to make a 10 for
7
me?
and 3.
Ah, 7 and 3 will make a 10. Good job.
Or 7.
Or either way. Yeah, but so we have to test it. We have to see if it would work this way. Would that
3.
work? 9, 10, 11. Does that work?
No.
Ooh, maybe I
No,
switched up. How about if I do it this way?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Almost.
Because 6 plus 7 is 13 and 2 more is 15. So 8 plus 3 is 11.
Yeah.
What would be my number here?
4.
4, because that would give me a 15. Let's check the diagonal. 6 plus 5 is 11. 4
Now
more
it's
is
9.
15. So the last 9 needs to go here. 9 plus 2 is 11. 4 more is 15. We did it. We are correct. The magic number is 15. So this is going to be what I am going to share today when I post the video. You can see there's lots more, and then there'll be a second page. This is just something fun to do to practice your math facts. You don't have to do it. What I like to see that you're still working on every day is just the packet, what I send home.
I did the one from yesterday.
The
The day
Dinosaurs
before.
Before Dark, your Scholastic News, your math worksheets. Anything else I do is just kind of for fun and to keep you thinking. Does anyone have any questions for me before we stop?
Are we still gonna do the fair?
I hope so. As soon as we get back in school, we'll set a date for it.
Yeah.
Looks like Emma joined us as well. Welcome, Emma. All right, like I said, I want to keep this short so I can post the video and it's not too long. So I'm going to say goodbye for today. And I love that you guys joined me. Did somebody say something?
Yeah, this is Ian's mom. Hey, quick question. So Friday's meeting, is it going to be Hangouts again, or is it Zoom? I know you said
Yep,
two.
it will be Hangout on Friday,
Okay.
so we can just do a quick check-in. I won't be doing number corner.
Yeah, good luck, because that was kind of chaotic.
Yeah.
It was cute, though. It was cute.
We'll just keep taking turns when we do it on the Google Hangouts.
Yep.
I like Zoom because I can share my screen and show you what I'm doing.
My brother last time, he couldn't get on Zoom because most people didn't have internet, and so I had to do Google, and he didn't know what to do.
Exactly. That's what I want to say with the Google Hangouts, so I make sure I hit everybody, because not everyone has Zoom. All right, guys. Thank you for coming. This was so much more fun with having you here today. Good luck.
Can't wait for Hangouts.
All right. Bye.
Bye.